So if you have ever watched my channel before, you know that I really love budget-friendly filmmaking equipment that helps you get the job done. And in today's video, we are outlining exactly that with the llano wireless HDMI USB-C transmitter and receiver kit. And basically what you would do with a device like this is you would take a display via USB-C, whether it be something like your iPhone, something like an iPad or a laptop, and you will be able to wirelessly transmit that signal to something like this here gigabyte monitor. So in this video, I'm just gonna outline this product, show how it works, and see if you could benefit from a device like this. So let's go ahead and get right into it. As you can see, I already have the receiver plugged up into my monitor. Now, let me unplug this for a second. So basically, how it comes in the box is it comes attached to the transmitter just like that. That's a nice little package. As you see, it's meant to be mobile because it comes with this little keychain here. And basically, when you plug it up like this, it doesn't do anything. It's just really meant to just, be carried so you can have both of them like this. Now, as you see, the transmitter where your signal is going to be coming from, that's going to go into your device. So not this iPhone right here, that's actually the old attachment. This iPhone right here, I will plug this into my iPhone, and basically the idea is I will be able to wirelessly transmit my signal from, like I said, any device that's USB-C, and I can transmit that to the receiver, which in this case is plugged up to my monitor here. So now, other than the transmitter and receiver that comes with the kit, you also get two cords now. Both of those cords are going to be plugged into the receiver, where one end of that USB Type-C goes into the side of the receiver, and the Type A part could actually either go into, say, like if you're plugging it up to a laptop, you'll have the USB-A, you can plug it straight up into the laptop to power this thing. Or if I was to put it on a TV, you can also plug it also into a TV that also has a USB Type A, or if your device that you're trying to have receive the signal does not have any type of USB Type A slot, you can also put this into a power brick to power this thing. And the second cord that actually comes with this device is basically a very small HDMI cord that is going to go from one end, which is going to be the bottom of the receiver here, into the given device where you want your display to pop up to. Now, before I get into showing you how this device is going to work on, my phone to this monitor, why would you want a device like this? Basically, a device like this will be good for somebody who's basically trying to transmit an image from one source to another, whether you're doing like some type of presentation, or you want to like share your screen or your computer to a bigger projector for people to see. It's like a number of things that you would do with something like this. Like me personally, I shoot video podcasts where a lot of people, they have like logos and things, and they'll like have like a TV, like say if this was up on the wall, and say if they want their logo to their podcast to be on the TV, what I would do is I would, pull the logo up on my phone, hook up the transmitter receiver, have that transmitter put the logo up on the TV, and then boom, I would just have it like that. So it's a plethora of things that you can do using a device like this. But whether it's video, whether it's photo, anything that you want transmitted from your source, whether it be a phone, whether it be a camera, whether it be a laptop, iPad, you name it, you can do with this device. Now, one thing that's very unique to this device, being that it is USB-C, I can plug this up into my phone, and one might say, well, what if you need to charge your phone? There's also a USB-C in at the bottom, so I can use this while plugging in a charger and still charging my phone. So that's pretty good as well. So without further delay, let me go ahead and fire this up onto the TV, and you'll be able to see basically how it looks. So as you see, I have the receiver plugged up into my monitor here, and you'll see a couple things. It's in English, and I believe that's Chinese, and it's just showing you the different type of methods in which you can connect this thing. Now, one thing I didn't mention real quick before I connect my phone to it, you can actually plug this thing up, or to my phone or any other device, and it will show your display. Or if you just want to use the receiver only, you can actually screen mirror your display from your given device to the receiver only. As a matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show actually how that works first. So basically, I got my iPhone here. I pull it down, I put the screen mirror. As you see, the llano right there, you probably can't see that at all. It pops up, I click on it. And once I click on it for the iPhone, boom, I already paired it. Now when you click on it for the first time, it's gonna give you a code and you gotta put it in, and then the image will come up. Probably didn't do that because I already connected it. But as you see, we are live. Didn't even have to use a transmitter as I showed you. Look at that. There is no latency, there is no lag. As you see, both of these are moving with, you know, the same, basically zero latency speed. So again, whatever I want to show on this device, if I want people to see, they'll be able to see it. And one thing about the receiver as well, see how this is in a landscape mode? If I wanted to go portrait mode, where like this image will be up and down on here, this monitor actually doesn't turn. But if it did turn and I wanted it portrait mode, if you click this button on the receiver here, it goes portrait mode. So again, good for just showing a screen. If I wanted like strictly vertical, I could turn this and it can be, you know, for people to see that larger display. You can do it that way, and then it will go back to landscape right there. So again, certain devices, they already come in, like the newer TVs, like all my TVs in the house, they have built-in screen mirroring, so you don't need a device like this. But for older TVs, different type of devices where you're not able to connect to and do that, the fact that you can still use this, you know, as a wireless screen mirroring option, because look, this is the older iPhone. USB-C doesn't fit in here. So the fact that I'm able to do that, you know, I'm covered either way. But let me go ahead and put this into the newer iPhone so you can see how that works. Okay, so I stopped mirroring my image from my other iPhone and I'm putting it, the device into this iPhone. And as you see, this light is blinking. Once I hit that, it is going to pair automatically. And there we go, one block. There we go, right there. That's my lock screen, go Tampa Bay. And as you see, this is my personal phone. Again, zero latency, works the same way. If I wanted to be portrait, it can be portrait. I can flip that portrait mode. I can go back to landscape mode. So it's a pretty simple device to use. Again, if you're somebody who wants to mirror your image, share your screen inside of a classroom, on a video production, you know, share, it doesn't even have to be to a monitor. Again, any device that takes an HDMI input, you will be able to share your screen too. So, you know, insert blank, whatever it is that you need. So as far as the price for this thing, it currently goes for $65.99. And as you can see, if you can see on here, it comes in black and silver. I have the silver one. If you are in the market for a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, this is a very good pickup because, you know, based on the functionality, the USB-C, the way you can connect to it 2 different ways, I think you're pretty much covered no matter what device you're using. And that's pretty much where I'm going to leave this video. The llano wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. It passes the test for budget filmmaking tool that you can use. Not even really so much so only filmmaking, just, you know, I use it in my filmmaking, but even if you're a teacher, if you're somebody who just wants to share your screen in the house, you want to put something from a device, phone, computer, tablet, to a bigger screen, you can do that with this device. If you pick it up, you will not be sorry. So if you are interested, check out the description down below. I have it linked. It's an affiliate link for Amazon. It'll take you right to this page where you can pick it up. If you did find some type of value in this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more filmmaking tips, tools, gear reviews, all things filmmaking. And until my next video, I will catch you guys later on. Peace out.